Friends, here we are discussing. We will discuss the network network subject. In this subject, first topic is electric charge. Then, what is electric charge? Electric charge is an physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when it kept in electric or magnetic field, and its unit is coulombs. Next point is charge of electron. Then what is charge of electron? We can represent the charge of electron by E, and the magnitude of charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and sign of the sign or polarity of the charge is negative. And same like this, charge of proton, P equals to positive 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The magnitude of both charge electron and proton are same, but the sign of both are different. Electron is negative and negatively charged, and proton is positively charged. Next point is the law of conservation of charge. What is law of conservation of charge? That means sigma q equals to 0. uh, uh, sigma q equal to 0. That means if there is a charge q1 q2 q3. So if we adding q1 q2 plus q3, that means sigma of q equals to 0, will be 0. Next point is flow of electric charge. And let us consider a conductor, and we provide a voltage source. Here is a positive and this is negative. And so what will happen? The in conductor there are lots of electrons, which moves towards the positive polarity of the battery. Okay, the electron moves towards the positive polarity of the battery, because positive attract the electrons. So flow of charge, electric charges, uh, in this diagram is like this. But the flow of current is just opposite of the flow of electron. That means current uh, will flow like this. Okay, next point, next topic is what is electric current. What is electric current? Definition: the rate of change of charge is known as current. That means rate of change of charge. Here charge, what is charge? Charge is q, and rate of change of charge, that means q with respect to with respect to time, will give a current. That means unit is unit of the current is ampere. Okay, mathematically the relationship between the current I, charge q, and time t is I equals to dq by dt. Here q equals to charge, t equals to time, and I equals to current. If we integrate the if we integrate both side, then what will happen? We can find the charge by integrating the idt from t0 to t1, that within the time range. Next point is what is dc current. Dc current is that type current that cannot that do not change polarity of the current with respect to time. That means suppose this is a current, current y-axis, and this is the time. Then current, what will be current? Current is constant with respect to time. Suppose this current is I naught. It cannot if we talk about this point, suppose t naught, and this time is t1, and this time is t2. Then if at time at t1 t naught, the current will be I naught. Same at time t2 t1, the current will be I naught. And same as at time t2, the current is also I naught. So here we can see that in DC current, do not change the magnitude or polarity of the current with respect to time. What is AC current? AC current is that type of current that that change with respect to time. That means, for example, sinusoidal current. Okay, sinusoidal current. Suppose this is a current I and this is time t. Then what will happen? Suppose this time is t naught, this time is t1, and this time is t2. At time t naught, what will be the current? Current is like, suppose I1, and at time t at time t1, what will be current? This current is minus I1. Okay, and at time is t2, what will current is this. So we can conclude that current will change with respect to time, and we noted that the polarity of the current will also change. Next, the first problem is how much charge represented by the 5 electrons. Okay, uh, we know that the one electron, the charge is 1 into 10 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and the sign of the this charge is negative. Okay, so the one electron equals to minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The question is, what is the charge represented by the 5 electron? That means, if we talk about the 5 electron, then we have to multiply 5 with electron charge. That means 5 into 10 power 5 into 1.6 into minus I have to write this 5 into minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Why I'm writing like writing minus 1.6 into power minus 19? Because the charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So what is the answer? Minus 8.0 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. It is the total charge represented by the 5 electrons. Next question is the total charge entering a terminal is given by 5 given by q equals to 5t sine 4t milliampere. Find the total current at t equal to 0.5 second. So we know that the formula of we know the formula of the current. I equals to dq by dt. Okay, here q equals to 5t sine 4t milliampere, and time is 0.5 millisecond. So first of all, we have to differentiate the charge. So d 5t sine 4 pi t upon dt. Then what will be the differentiation? Here is a differentiation between differentiation of x dot y, like this, x dot y. So first we differentiate the 5t, and after that 4t. Then we have to take common 5, and differentiation of t equals to 1 into we can write sine 4 pi t plus, next we have to differentiate the value of sine 4 pi t and write t. Then the sine 4 pi t, differentiation of sine 4 pi t is 4 pi cos 4 pi t. Okay, this is the current. Now what will be the current at t equals to 5 second 0.5 second? We have to put the value of t equals to 0.5. So what will happen? 1 into sine 4 t, t is 0.5. That means sine 2 pi t 2 pi plus t equals to 0.5 into 4 pi cos 4 pi t means 4 pi t at t equals to 0.5 means cos 2 pi. We know that the value of sine 2 pi equals to 0 and sine 2 pi equals to 1. then I equals to t equals to 0.5 second is equals to 5 into this value is 0 plus 0.4 pi into 0.5 equals to 2 pi, and the final answer is I equals to 5 into 2 10 pi. This value is this is the current value at t equals to 0.5 second. Next question is the determine the total charge at terminal between t equals to 1 second and t equals to 2 second if the current passing the terminal is I equals to 3t square minus t ampere. So here the charge is given, current is given 3t square minus t ampere. So we know the formula dq equals to q equals to I dt. Okay, and here time is given t1 to t2. We put the value t1 equals to 1 second and t2 equals to 2 second. I equals to 3 t square minus t and dt. We have to integrate this. The integration will be 3t square. Integration is 3 t cube by 3 minus t square by 2. Okay, and the range is 1 to 2 second. If we solve this, 3 to 3 cancel, and t cube minus t square by 2, 1 to 2. Put the value put the value 2. What will be 8 minus 1 minus 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here is 7 and minus 4 by 2 equals to 2 and plus half. What is the value? 5 plus half, 11 by 2 coulomb. This will be the answer of the current. Okay, thank you.